Usiama kwa babi on Ghana and Sem TV so dia me so any promise.
Mo classmate ni de ye nya mfa na ama NDC fo. Enti ne ye ka kire mo ne se dwumadie bi amudi bia no mommo modern se mo be keep clean sheet e okrom ha. Because next 4 years classmate sam meni we na free ha we ya me de hye we ya me krom ni no amamu woni ye mabubie. Sani ya mo twe NPP fo sere ne abasa no enu nti na me bo mo nka ye se mo classmate na mo ni nyina kura party card ya na mo voice out so ye mfa ne mra no be na num de ko na otwini ya mu hu ye no ye na mu nkurase ye ene ye maame no mo asabi abaya ye kotui omo wa akonya ese on betu bi e kasa almost 70% ene hia Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bomia ti ya kan kire mo se mo classmate na mo pese ye de ne ba ni ye woni mu bo fipam eda esoro dwarebo mu no ye nya mfa na ama ye de ba omia na eba osoro ne asase ne abofo eja oba honkonkono wagina tum ti doctor ne ye de ne eba ti wo ye minister MP DC wo ye assembly man bibi a wo ye bia no try say wo be keep clean sheet na ne ye mu ye be chen mu 100 times e okrom ha ne ye mu ye no me say ye ban next 4 years ya because doctor be fa aba okrom ha Ghana ni bia ni ho ye sound person odi ida asiedun katia na juro zebra begina ho na Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bomia nyansa container nimdifo na adwunum abobel a Ghana ni no wo modam a sabi obekwa akoto aba ma asiedun katia na juro zebra nti ye kan kire mo say next 4 years krom ha be ye de ti wo ye MP minister dwumadie bia wudi bia no ma wani na ho na di ni yie nyasa asabi wo ne wo yere efitina nya mo de wo kuro yi mu mema bronya tata mu kuro we mu ama no kwasem nie aduane a yede hye yanu mu kura ebefono mo enti dwumadie bia mu di bia no mu nti monim na mu ni ni yie na mo modern se mu be keep clean sheet because ye ba ne sawe na de yes ye ma na hogunu biem enti bibia wo ye bia no ye ni yie so ye MP so ye minister so ye DC so ye hwan try so be keep clean sheet eno ne ye ka kire mo ne ya mo ye ase ye mfa ne mra de ye mfa na ma ye mfa ne ma yes enamo ni nyina ene kura one party card enti ne ye ka ne say mon try so mo be keep clean sheet okrom ha na doctor beba Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bomia atra mudi ye edegi akunya krom ha Ghana fo ahumo ne yese no obe reset Ghana no ene ye humo ne ye koso e okuro yi mu ti se wo ye MP minister DC na wo di dwuma try se wo be keep clean sheet e okuro mu ha nyesa ye ba aban mu aduane ye de hye yanum enye wo de enkaibo e wo ho ma mo no.
This message goes to politicians, especially the NDC. You see that you are arresting Chairman Wontumi, slapping him with all manners of bill, and right now he has been slapped about 10 million Ghana cedis, and he has to, and with 3 sureties. Let me tell you, see, no problem, good. If NDC get out of power, even 1,000 years, and NPP come in power, be ready assured that they will deal with you people. NDC, if NPP come to power, they will deal with you, because they don't see all what you are doing to them. They are marking it down. They know very well that even 2028 they will not come to power. 2032 they will not come to power. From that point going, when they come to power, they will be like monkeys. You will do it to them today, but they are marking it down. After they come to power, even 30, 40, 50, 100 years, they will retaliate. They will revenge. So whilst you are doing it, be very careful, because, and those of you who want to stain yourself, corrupt leaders, wait. If NPP come in power, wait. they will come for all of you. Those of you that they are doing and you are laughing, you are happy. The NDC people, you are happy. And when they talk, Ghanaians, they don't care. When you mess up anything, Ghanaians will vote you out of power and bring NPP. And that is where you will get to understand that when you buy kinky, you take shito or you take pepper. Be ready.
Culture on several occasions say 2029 and beyond. Nyamiya do no nkuyen na etiase kwana sempipi papa wa. Many way ni free or ya madam for nti yamfa nchelo no sa na ma no. Enya ade a ebe wa kibium. Nti na me catch for anything for me tumefo. Whatever you guys are doing no. Make sure some mo ye no emura kwan so na nti amra. Isan say yen ma me ora na 8 months 10 months into power. Na obi ande mu there be yen bamba yes a mistake no. You make sure say wono ibenya ho bibia ansa na aba power wo. Is nya declare say e win no. Na wo a wo watch list no so a wo no yedi kan enya wo scandal bi dada abra mo aban mu no. Yedi kan start ye wo ho adwuma dada to. So when kon koba say afi na aba na ya ba be yo konabra say dem we no, we're not going to do that. We're going to make sure say you be doing say dem city. You use the law because we are law abiding citizens. So we are going to use the law and make sure the law works. Send you was saying a year jumano. Now the friendship thing na many way Friano ya madam for and I mean Timon fan channel no sadi you know it's not going to work. It is not going to work. We are going to make sure that we use the law. By using the law, we will speed up the process to make sure say everything that needs to be done is done. So if you know you are a minister today, you are an appointee of this current government. Nasa word you say oh this car will no. Oh to emu Benz. Emu kind of saying cars and can see V8 Cadillac near the area. To the obetimi ato obi anhye. In the process autos are cars ni no. Making sure say auto no akwan paso. Making sure say your monthly earn wunya no salary now entering the month go in the monthly no. And then ade na we no ebo ebra. What I say? Make sure say ebo ebra. Yes, make sure that a body a bra, because if not, a lecturer will say, "Otogaria Jimoko." Sorry, because we are not going to do friendship. I know you, all those stuffs. It is not going to happen. So you guys gonna be ready. If government change, things are going to be very different from what you are seeing today. We are going to make sure we use the law. And that time, when you say slogan I'm using the law is the law. No? That time too, the law will be the law. But we will see who the law will actually favor. Favor the same crime. Monko for bad committee and enko baby. But NPP ni committee the ever baby and all those stuffs. We are watching. What I say? We are watching. So we are going to make sure that everything is done. Send them around the city. We are not going to joke. And we are not going to do friendship in 2028. That's the honest truth.